Welcome to this channel IBM classes. Uh, Today in this video session we're going to discuss a very interesting case scenario, you can say, which is actually same name file present in different library, then which file we want to use. This is the case actually. So in the previous video I told about ext file keyword, which is used in fspecs in rpg program to override a particular file present in some library. And now we'll be using the OVRDBF command instead of ext file. So we'll be using OVRDBF command to let RPG program or use that file or particular file present in some library. So let's come to the example. This is file1, which has three fields: ID, name and address. Now this file is being present in two libraries. Sorry, this is file1. Sure. So file1 is present in both the libraries. Now check data. In IBM class 2 there is one record. In IBM class 1 there are two records. Sure. Now this is the RPG program where we are simply reading the file. We have declared a file name in input primary mode, which is external file, and then we're simply evaluating the fields in local variable. Now from the CL program we override this file to the file1 present in IBM class 1 library, and then we are calling the program pgm3, and then we are deleting the override. Sure. So for the compilation of this pgm3 we need an extra step to compile this program, because file is not an object, which is actually overridden from file1 present in library IBM class 1. So we'll be overriding pf name file1 either from IBM class 1 or class 2, because both have the same structure and same file name. So define the scope, set the set job, work job. We have override, set the override. Now compile this program with source debug. Now this program has been compiled successfully. Now we'll delete that override. That override has been deleted. Sure. Now this program has been created. Now we'll be compiling this program. So the debug view as star source. We will be debugging pgm3cl. Debug this program. After this we'll be setting the breakpoint at line number 1. We check the library list. We can see that on library list the top library is IBM class 2. Now call this program, call pgm3cl f10 shift F9. Let's check the overrides. There is no override right now. F10. Now override has been set. Now it will call program 3, which will be reading file 1 present in library 1, which has 2 records. First record has been written, second record. Now it will delete the override. Let's check the override. So now just override file 2, file 1 present in library 2. Just check. Set the breakpoint at line number 1 by debugging this program. Call pgm3cl f10. Now file 1 present in library IBM class 2 is getting read. Now it has only one record being processed. Override has been deleted and the program ends. So we have seen that how we can use a same name file present in two different libraries or in multiple libraries using the OVRDBF command um, available in CL. So this is all in this video. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you and have a nice time.